Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu everyone. My name is Ibrahim Ahmed Khan, and today I'll be sharing a presentation on a powerful idea that has shaped the way our world works, the social contract, through the views of Hobbes, Locke, and Rousseau. What is the social contract? The social contract is the idea that people agree to give up some of their freedom to form a government. In return, that government keeps order and protects their rights. If it fails to do this, people have the right to demand change. Several famous philosophers worked on this concept. The three minds behind the social contract. Three major philosophers, Hobbes, Locke, and Rousseau, gave different views on how the social contract should work. Each had a unique idea of human nature and the kind of government that best suits people. Hobbes' version of the government. Hobbes thought people are selfish and life without rules would be full of chaos. So people should give up all their rights and freedom to a strong ruler who would maintain order and peace. Locke's version of the government. Locke believed people are born with natural rights like life, liberty, and property. They form a government to protect those rights. But if the government fails, the people have the right to change or replace it. Rousseau's version of the government. Rousseau believed people are naturally good, but society corrupts them. He didn't think we need rulers at all. Instead, everyone should follow the general will, what's best for the community, in a direct democracy. Comparing the three. Let's compare them clearly. Hobbes believed in giving full control to a ruler to avoid chaos. Locke believed in limited government and keeping individual rights. Rousseau wanted no ruler. People decide the rules and laws together based on the general will. Whose ideas are used today? Locke's ideas are widely used in democratic systems. Rousseau influences and equality movements and participatory democracy. Hobbes' ideas appear in places that need strict law and order during tough times. Real life examples. We see their ideas in real life. Democracies that protect rights reflect Locke. Community voting and equality ideas reflect Rousseau. And Hobbes' thinking shows up when strong government control is used during crises like war or disaster. Jazakumullah khair for listening. I hope you learned something new today about how government, freedom, and power are all connected, and how these old ideas still shape our modern world.